Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp in Gacha Club. First, open the character creation screen and select an empty slot. You'll want to adjust the character's body to be quite small and compact, resembling a shrimp's shape. Next, navigate to the skin color options and pick a light pink or a soft orange hue. This will form the base color for your adorable Gacha Club shrimp. Now, let's add some key shrimp features. For the antennae, head to the hair section and find some thin, wispy strands that can be positioned above the head. These will serve as perfect antennae. Then, choose small, round eyes to give your shrimp a charming and simple appearance. Finally, select a very basic mouth expression, maybe a tiny, closed smile, to complete its face. Moving on to the tail and legs, which are crucial for a realistic shrimp. Browse the tail accessories and find an item that can be shaped or positioned to resemble a fan shrimp tail. There are often several options that work well. For the legs, look for small, curved accessories that can be placed along the lower body. Remember to match the colors of these elements to the main body color for a seamless and believable shrimp design. To bring your shrimp to life, adjust its pose. Look for poses that give a slight curve to the body, as if it's swimming or resting. You can also tilt the head slightly. Consider adding a simple background, like an underwater scene or a plain blue, to enhance the shrimp's environment. Once you're happy, save your unique Gacha Club shrimp character. Now you have your very own custom shrimp.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.